Hi viewers, I am discussing about one problem here on the moment of inertia of the bodies while rolling. See here, the question is three bodies, a ring, a solid cylinder, and a solid sphere roll down the same inclined plane without slipping. This is the inclined plane, the inclination angle is theta. A ring, a solid cylinder, a solid sphere rolling without slipping on the inclined plane. The inclination height is h. This starts from rest. The radii of the bodies are identical. Which of the bodies reaches the ground with maximum velocity? So we taken the his given information is the three bodies, a ring, a solid cylinder, a solid sphere. Which of the bodies reaches the ground with the maximum velocity? So generally we have first what we know here, the potential energy lost by the body in rolling down. See, here is the body. The potential energy of this body is mgh. See, mgh, the potential energy of this body, while it is traveling, reaches the ground. It reaches the ground. The potential energy changes to kinetic energy. The potential energy changes to kinetic energy. That is the potential energy lost by the body in rolling down V equal to kinetic energy gained. While it is traveling, it is gaining kinetic energy. So that is equal to K equal to of mv square 1 plus k square by r square, already we discussed in the last video. In rolling body, what is the kinetic energy is there? The total kinetic energy equal to translation motion kinetic energy plus rotational motion kinetic energy. This is that formula is of mv square 1 plus k square by r square, where v is center of mass velocity, k is radius of gyration of the body, r is radius of the mass. So here kinetic energy we equate to potential energy. This mm cancel, we will get v equal to under root of 2gh by 1 plus k square by r square. K is radius of gyration. So this is the final formula. What is the formula here? Any body that reaches the ground with velocity v equal to under root of 2gh by 1 plus k square by r square. K is radius of gyration. So we have here three bodies. One is ring, one is solid cylinder, one is solid sphere. So we check here. We first take a ring. For a ring, the radius of gyration is equal to k equal to r. So substitute there, v equal to 2gh by 1 plus k square by r square. So here 2gh by 1 plus r square by r square. R square cancel. So this is under. So we will get gh by gh. That means v equal to only gh. For a ring, the maximum velocity reaches the ground. Here is the maximum velocity, the body will get the maximum velocity at this place. For a ring, v equal to gh. If you go for a solid cylinder, k square equal to uh, r square by 2, k equal to r by root 2. We can substitute k square equal to r square by 2. So here v equal to 2gh by 1 plus r square by 2 by r square. 2gh, sorry, here the total 2gh by 1 plus r square cancel, will get 1 by 2, that is equal to 2gh by 3 by 2, that is equal to 4gh by 3. 4gh by 3. For solid cylinder, the maximum velocity reaches the ground, that under root of 4gh by 3. For a ring, under root of gh. root of GH. We go for solid sphere. Solid sphere. So for solid sphere, that is k radius of gyration equal to k square equal to 2 by 5 r square. Just substitute the maximum velocity of rolling body 2gh by 1 plus k square by r square, 2gh by 1 plus 2 by 5 r square by r square. Here 2gh by 7 by 2, it is equal to 4gh by 7. It is maximum velocity of solid sphere. So we have now VCM of ring, that is equal to GH. V see maximum, it is maximum velocity of ring. V max for of solid cylinder, we got how much? L4GH by 3. V max for solid sphere, that is equal to 7GH 4GH, sorry, here this is 4GH by 7. So we have under root of GH and root of 4GH by 3 and root of 4GH by 7. So from see here 2 by 5, 5, 7 goes 7 by 5, sorry, here this is 7 by 5, we will get here 10GH by 5. So for solid sphere 10GH by 7, which is 10GH by 7. See, first one is under root of GH, second one is 4GH by 3, third one is root of 10GH by 7. So from 3 result, it is clear that among 3 bodies, ring, solid cylinder, solid sphere, the ring has least velocity of the center of mass at the bottom of inclined plane. So this is the situation. Here the maximum velocity of a ring is least, maximum velocity of solid sphere is more. So here ring, solid sphere 10GH by 7, 4GH by 3 GH. So the ring has least, this is the medium, this is highest. So this is a simple solution. If you want to calculate in rotational motion for any body, kinetic energy gained, otherwise the maximum velocity reaches the bottom if the inclined plane is height is h. So this is a solution.